Waterfalls. What are you doing? Enjoying? This water? Okay. Krishna. Hey, hello. Amma padipotav. Nana Kanaya, నువ్వు అమ్మ పక్కకు వచ్చేవా? అమ్మ పక్కకు వచ్చేవా? Come here. Come here, mama. Come here, mama. Hey, Krishna, venala, student ra. Krishna, venala. Idu, camera way student ra. Here we are near Chaparai Waterfalls, that is 14 kilometers away from Araku Valley. You can spend some quality time with your friends and family, and you mustn't forget to carry an extra pair of clothes if you want to get wet. As you can see, children tend to get into the water, but I couldn't force my children as the water was pretty cold. There are changing room for changing clothes, and even toilets are available. They are very neat and clean, and you can visit this place when you come to Araku because this is the best place. Don't avoid. There are amazing sceneries and photos where you can just be yourself. And one more important thing, place is very good, but it is a little bit dangerous also. I have to mention it because when you're with your children, do please hold their hands, don't leave them. If they are good in swimming and all, that's another thing, but please, because it is very slippery, the stone there is very slippery, so just beware. It is not like regular waterfalls where the water falls from the top. Here the water flows in horizontal, similar to a river flow, and the entry tickets, which I forgot to mention, is 50 rupees for adult. And this is how everybody is pretty busy taking pics and photographs and enjoying. My children are enjoying there. Ella Krishna. ఇలా పెట్టు మమ్మీ కాళ్ళగా ఇలాగా ఫ్లోటింగ్ అవుతున్నట్టు హాఫ్ వాటర్లో. డీప్ ఉంటుంది. ఇదో కింద రాయి మా మమ్మీ కాలు పెట్టింది అక్కడ వరకు. కృష్ణ ఇటు చూడు, ఇలా పెట్టు. Even there is a tribal dance available. They charge you around 50 rupees per person. You can enjoy that as well. Me and my son enjoyed it a lot. right after Chaparai, we went to Strawberry Farm that is right in front of y'all. It is a very beautiful road when we go by, and the farm is not so big, but it was satisfying and worth to watch because the kids enjoyed. In my previous videos, you can even find the Strawberry Araku farm, and this pathway is very interesting because it is surrounded with trees on either sides, and you have a very beautiful gardens with marigold flowers, yet eye catching. And by the time we went, it was very late, and the kids were not allowed to pluck the farms. In many places they are allowed to pluck the strawberries, but here they were sold outside. They'll be selling them outside. You can take them outside. And this is the marigold farm, very beautiful yellow and orange in color. And please, when you do visit Araku, don't miss the strawberry farms. And it is very pleasant and a nice place in Araku Valley. As you can see the surroundings, it's very eye pleasing and hard to describe actually. When you feel that vibe itself, it makes you feel like wow. I've taken some amazing pics here. Do check out. I did like them. Hope you'll like them too.
Those who are new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.